Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to split the contents of a cell into multiple rows using Power Query in Excel. So let us first study the data which is presented before you. I have three columns. In the first column, I have the product code. In the second column, I have the various colors in which this product is available, and in the third column I have the rating for that product. Now what I want to do is I want to do two things. First, I want to count of unique number or unique colors in this data. So I want the count of unique colors in this data. And second, I want the count of colors in each product. Example Q309, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Q321, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. So let me show you how you can do that. So first I will show you how we can find the count of unique colors. So I'll click anywhere inside the data. Then I would right click over here and select Get Data from Table/Range. Now I'll click on Colors Available column heading. Then I would right click on the heading and I would say Remove Other Columns. So I'm interested only in this column. Now I would like to split each content into a separate row. So I will select Split Column by Delimiter. Here I'll click on this drop down and select Custom. Now I'll type comma and a space as the delimiter. Each occurrence of the delimiter. So it will split at each occurrence of the delimiter. Then I'll click on Advanced Options and select Split into Rows. Then I would click on OK. So now you will see each color comes on a separate row. However, what you can see is that there are many duplicates. So I'll click on this column, right click over here and I would select Remove Duplicates. So these are the 19 unique colors. So this is the first objective. We wanted to find out the list of the unique colors. And now I want to find the count of each color for product wise. So I'll first rename or I'll first duplicate this table and right click over here and I want to duplicate this table. So I'll select duplicate and I'll click on the first table and rename it as color list. Enter. And I would select the second table and rename it as color count and enter. Now in the second table, I don't want this step, I don't want this step, I don't want this step, I don't want this step. Now I don't need the rating column. So I would right click over here and I would select Remove. Now remember I've kept the product column as well as the colors available. Now I would right click on the colors available and I would select Split Column by Delimiter. So either I can do from here or in the menu in the Home tab I can select Split Column by Delimiter. In delimiter, I'll click on the drop down, select custom, split at each occurrence of the delimiter. And what is the delimiter? Comma and a space, and advance, split it into rows and click on OK. So you can see that I am having each color now on a separate row, and I am having a product names on the left side. Now I want the count of each product, the different colors available for each product. So I click on colors available and I will select group by. So in group by, I would select group it based on the product code, and it will ask me the name of the new column. So I will select color count. Operation is what? Count the rows. Then I would click on OK. So you get the product code and the color count, the product code and the color count. So friends, we have achieved both the objectives. The first objective was to find the unique color list, and the second objective was to find the count of each color, count of color product wise. Now I want to send this data into Excel. So I'll click on home and select close and load. So you can see you have the color count sheet over here, in which you have the product name and the count of the unique colors, and the color list wherein you have the unique colors and their total count is 19. If you see, the count is 19. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this particular video. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.